This year, the Erasmus program is celebrating its 35th anniversary. First launched in 1987, the European Union's flagship program to support and strengthen education, training, youth and sport in Europe has truly been a success story. One can only speculate about how pleased the 15th century Dutch humanist Mr. Desiderius Erasmus would have been to learn that in 2022, an international exchange student program called after him has allowed more than 10 million participants and counting from 33 European countries and more partner countries across the world to open their minds on a journey of personal fulfillment. I too belong to the Erasmus generation and can only vouch for its merits. Last year, the new Erasmus Plus program for 2021 to 2027 was launched with a hugely increased budget. Post-COVID and with 80% more financing, we are experiencing and expecting a massive uptake by students across Europe and beyond. But not just students, as the Erasmus Plus program also accommodates a wide range of other profiles. And in 2022, it is fitting that the Erasmus program's 35th anniversary coincides with the European Year of Youth. So check out the Erasmus Plus program opportunities near you and discover, like Mr. Erasmus did back then, that the world is your oyster.